that says that
I colored the print myself. It was these two support beams. This is the file. That come off of a popular a popular 3D print called the Pastamatic. It says 2x source cradle for Pastamatic filament holder or filament winder. So if you find the Pastamatic, you can find this exact file. It's supposed to make 2 of these. I double clicked it and this is what it looks like. This is just a Pastamatic support cradle. So all I did was collar it at 8mm height up each layer. So the whole thing was originally red. You can see up here. Then I collared each layer individually. Then I copied and pasted from one to the other just so that the lines were exact. They were, you know, it would waste less filament if the two are identical. Less purges. So these are the Pastamatic supports. Maybe I can find the exact page. There's the address to the exact link. It's on printables.com. So whenever I color this, for some reason the first red layer is where it's supposed to be. The second white layer is about 5mm off to the left. It's crooked. And it's been a reoccurring problem with coloring